Imagine a place where gravity is king, so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. What happens to anything that ventures too close to this cosmic abyss? These are the questions that swirl around the enigmatic objects we call black holes. Black holes are regions of spacetime where gravity's pull is so intense that they distort the fabric of the universe itself. While invisible to our eyes, their presence is unmistakable, marked by the strange behavior of nearby stars and gas clouds. But what lies within these cosmic monsters? For decades, scientists have grappled with this question, piecing together clues from observations and theoretical models. Their findings paint a picture that is both fascinating and terrifying, a realm where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Join us as we embark on a journey to unveil the mysteries of black holes. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners, relentlessly sucking in everything in sight. Instead, they are born from the remnants of massive stars that have reached the end of their lives. When these stellar giants exhaust their nuclear fuel, they can no longer support their own weight. The core collapses in on itself, an implosion so violent that it triggers a supernova, a spectacular explosion that can outshine an entire galaxy. If the star's core is massive enough, at least 3 times the mass of our sun, gravity will continue to crush it down to an infinitely small point called a singularity. This singularity is the heart of a black hole, a region of infinite density and zero volume. Surrounding the singularity is an invisible boundary known as the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return for anything that crosses it. Once an object passes this boundary, it can never escape the black hole's gravitational pull, not even light. Imagine a waterfall where the water flows faster and faster as it approaches the edge. The event horizon is like the point where the water's speed exceeds the speed of sound. Just as sound waves cannot travel upstream against such a current, nothing can escape the inward pull of gravity beyond the event horizon. What happens to an object as it approaches the event horizon? From an outside observer's perspective, time seems to slow down for the object. This effect, known as time dilation, is a consequence of Einstein's theory of general relativity. As the object gets closer to the event horizon, time appears to stop altogether. The object would seem frozen in place, its image forever imprinted on the edge of the black hole. Section 4. Inside the Abyss, a voyage into the unknown. What lies beyond the event horizon remains one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. Our current understanding of physics breaks down at the singularity, the point of infinite density at the heart of a black hole. Some theories suggest that matter falling into a black hole is stretched and compressed into a thin stream, a process known as spaghettification. Others propose that black holes are gateways to other universes or dimensions. These ideas are still highly speculative, and scientists are actively searching for ways to test them. However, one thing is certain. The interior of a black hole is a realm of extreme physics, where our current laws of nature may not apply. Section 5. Unraveling the Enigma Hawking and the Future. Stephen Hawking, one of the most brilliant minds of our time, made groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of black holes. He showed that black holes are not entirely black, but emit a faint radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This radiation, known as Hawking radiation, carries away energy from the black hole, causing it to slowly evaporate over time. Hawking's discoveries revolutionized our view of black holes, transforming them from cosmic prisons into dynamic objects that interact with their surroundings. Today, scientists continue to study black holes using increasingly sophisticated tools, such as the Event Horizon Telescope, which captured the first-ever image of a black hole's shadow in 2019. These observations are helping us to test our theories and to unravel the mysteries of these enigmatic objects. Black holes are not only fascinating objects in their own right, but also serve as laboratories for probing the fundamental laws of physics and the nature of gravity itself. As we continue to explore the universe, black holes will undoubtedly continue to captivate our imagination and inspire new discoveries for generations to come.